Hey, I'm Katie from the Nourish, Breathe, Thrive blog, and today I'm going to share one of my favorite healthy kitchen hacks, the blend. The blend is a technique that uses mushrooms to enhance the flavor and texture when you're cooking with ground beef. So, how do you blend? Let's do it. First, you're going to take your mushrooms and using your knife or a food processor, you're going to chop them up to the consistency of ground meat. Then into the pan they go. Now you can use any of the same flavor profiles you would use to cook traditional ground beef. The only difference is that we've added those chopped mushrooms into our beef blend. I'm a Blenditarian because it's a great way to save money and eat sustainably without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. Head on over to the blog, nourishbreathethrive.com, to check out one of my favorite blended recipes. This Asian blended beef bowl is absolutely delicious and, of course, simple to make.